Welcome to part 3 of our Grand Canyon North Rim exploration. This is where perseverance takes over for terrain that isn't difficult, but punishingly rough as we make our way to the Grand Canyon and back to our sheltered camp in the trees. Mother Nature has a surprise for us, and we battle the elements while struggling with fuel and tire issues on the frozen roadways, hoping to make it out before the roads thaw and we're mired in the infamous North Rim clay mud. Adventure Playlist starts now.
Good morning. It is cold here in Arizona, but this campsite we got in real late last night, so we didn't get to film much, but it's beautiful. It's flat, it's quiet. Yesterday we had a fun time. We got in late, so we didn't really get to film much at the campsite. We're adding fuel. Today we're headed out to Kelly Point. I've never been to the Grand Canyon. It's been on my bucket list. I think we're going to go a different way than we planned. It's supposed to be a chance of snow out there, so we might just stay here another night.
It is a brisk morning up near Pine Ranch, Arizona, and we're doing a little bit of reshuffling this morning, just with the idea of, instead of taking all of our rigs down to see the Grand Canyon, we're going to take just 2, and we're going to make it just a quick rundown and run back because this campsite is awesome. There was no wind last night. It was cold, but it's just quiet. There's no one around here, and we have lots of room. We're going to come back here and stay tomorrow night.
Maybe, unless I can talk them into going down an elevation so it's warmer, because we're actually expecting snow. Possibly. It's what, 30% chance of snow?
Yeah,
so
but we're not going to go down in elevation between here and getting out. So.
No?
But it helps us conserve fuel. We get to hang out with people, and we're just going to have fun going down and seeing the Grand Canyon. First time. Bucket list.
So excited. You said it split right here?
Right underneath, yeah.
Oh, right underneath. Man.
In camp, we were able to inspect our vehicles and perform small maintenance. Tyler's roof rack had split clean through. He managed to secure it and move the roof items into his vehicle. We left most of camp in place and divided up into the Bronco and Jimmy's Jeep to head down to Kelly Point. We had no idea the rough ride we were in for. Sign-in book and pamphlets. Emmett, you want a pamphlet?
For what? Oh, man.
You know, my great-great-grandfather came across the plains and entered southeast Idaho. Waring Ranch is pretty cool. There's not a ton of stuff here. They're doing their best to kind of keep what's here alive, but you do start to wonder what made people think that this was a great place to ranch. It's definitely a lot of scrub brush, hard living. We get pretty lucky nowadays.
Found an arrowhead.
No way!
Yeah, that was pretty cool. So, but I have to show Emmett. Rough road. Well, there's not a ton of videos out there on Kelly Point.
One of those rare places a horse would probably be faster.
Yeah.
I've never managed to get there. You need it.
Snowing a little. The road out out here to the point it's not real technical, but it just beats you up. These basketball-sized rocks and everything you're driving over, it's brutal. This is brutal. Getting a bit car sick with all this bouncing back and forth. What's that? 11? That's not bad. Okay, really?
Relax, look at that.
Yeah, he's flexing.
We made it. Yay!
Okay, you can stop driving now.
Look, there's a campsite over here.
Make sure to set your parking brake.
Yes, please. Welcome to the Grand Canyon. That is impressive. It's crazy. You can't even capture it on film or in a photo how big it is. It was worth the drive.
You probably aren't gonna see this on camera, but it's snowing.
Yeah.
A little bit ominous, actually. Be in the sunlight with snow falling, and that as a backdrop is pretty awesome. It was a rough road getting here. Lots of brush. The road hasn't been maintained in a number of years, so be aware if you're coming out here, it's gonna take you a while. It took us, what, four and a half hours to get out here. So be
Bring lots
prepared
of
for
gas.
that. Bring lots of fuel. Bring lunch.
I want to do that too. I want to hear that.
Yeah, well, you're freaking us out.
It's a really stable rock.
Yeah, keep thinking that. I'm
I think it's good.
It's cool, huh?
Like, it's very cool. Like, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but it's
so
very
With clouds coming in and temperatures dropping, the prudent thing was to head right back to camp as quickly as we possibly could.
Oh, jeez. Yes.
Look at how muddy our ship is.
Oh, it is so muddy. You just packed it on. Oh, we'll get dinner going. Oh my goodness, we didn't even think of snow, so we didn't even tilt the chairs back. We didn't even worry about it. We got snow on our tent. Holy cow, we got like 4 inches of snow. This is crazy. So now we got a problem. We need to get out of here, and it's not going to be tonight. So the plan is we're going to get up at the crack of dawn. Hopefully the ground will be frozen enough, even though it's snow covered, to get out. We got about 60 miles ahead of us. And the other problem is we only have a quarter of a tank. And Jimmy, who went to the Grand Canyon as well, he has less than a quarter of a tank. And poor Tyler, he's from San Francisco. Snow's not his thing. But he is the smart one. He has a nice little tarp area and a gas propane. So he's kind of our hero right now. Snow is nowhere in this forecast. This is insane. I can't believe it.
But we've got burritos.
Ooh, is this mine?
That's yours.
He made us food. Mike always has hot, warm food for us. These roads, when they get wet, they get nasty, clay, muddy, impassable. And right now, they're just snow covered, which still is not fun. I'm going to shut it down. We're going to get some sleep. We'll see you in the morning.
It's morning, and we have camped out near Pine Ranch. We woke up to about 4 to 6 inches of snow, and it's going to be a challenge. We decided to get up early and do this because once this snow starts to melt, it'll make the roads really muddy, and that will be much harder than driving on the snow. As it is, things are quite firm right now, so it's pretty well the best condition we're going to get. We're almost packed up. Wish us luck getting out. It'll be fun.
We had to pack up early because it was snowing heavily a lot. And so we need to get out here before the rain comes, but there's 2 vehicles. They're almost out of view.
We're about packed up. Everybody's getting ready to go. And I'm navigating this group out of here by map only. We usually have on X, but we don't have the most direct route out of here mapped. And that's what we're going for. So if we get lost, it's kind of on me. That's okay. It'll be fine.
It's in St. George.
If that mic's getting fuzzy on the communications, I wonder. So far, so good. The snow is actually a good thing because if the roads are frozen, that means less mud. How does it feel on the roads?
You know, it actually feels pretty good right now. My biggest concern is that the folks further down the train, as things get stirred up, it might get a little more slick for them.
Yeah, we're making good time too. We're below a quarter of a tank. We might have to bump some fuel off of Jimmy at this point. He about has 2 gallons left. And he's about in the same boat we are though.
good climb, had good traction all the way up. We confirm with this signpost we're still on 103, and we're heading back down the other side.
It wasn't exciting enough. We thought we'd have a, soul tire leaking problem. Do you need help? Or are you good?
No, I'm good.
Oh yeah, just slow and easy. It's just doing fine. If I bump it up over 15, it just becomes a big bobsled, follows those ruts. It could be the size of the tires too, you know what I mean? But there's, but it reminds me of driving back when I had a 72 Volkswagen Beetle.
So I'm hoping it's not anything too serious.
I'm hoping it's just some ice in the valve.
Is it the valve, you think?
I hope it's ice in the valve. That I've heard. Oh.
Put it at 30. See how that does? Can you hear anything?
I didn't see a road going to it though. Did you see an access road? I saw it. And I was like, maybe.
Oh man, look at the mud over here. Wow. The mud. Oh, the mud is just dripping.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
Holy cow, this is a lot of snow. It's so pretty out. Yep, there's no way I'm opening Jimmy's door.
Wow, that's an awesome view to see coming over that ridge. Jimmy's Jeep and my Bronco were dangerously low on fuel, so a plan was devised that we would send Bruce out to get fuel and bring it back to us.
Make it up there, that would be a great place to stop. Fantastic.
I like this plan. Bruce and I have the longest distance communication, so that will make it really good to keep in touch. Thank you so much.
On our ham radio net one night, we had a long discussion about what constitutes an adventure. And the basic outcome was anything that pushes your envelope of being comfortable. And I think, at least for me, this was an adventure.
Good.
I'm on it with you. Adventure for me. And a good one. It's been a good one. Definitely an adventure for me as well. My old group was called Never Not Made It. I think we could take that moniker. First trip out.
Looking at the time, I'm like, I think if I just get back to San Francisco, I can make it today. If you guys don't need any, if Bruce is gonna do gas,
No.
you guys
no,
you don't need any extra gear or
Dude,
anything. All
it
good.
has been a pleasure. I hope we
Likewise.
haven't totally scared you off from going on trips.
No, when's the next one? Just let me know when it is. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
Nice. Thank you.
Well, I think we're all headed back to town anyways, right?
Yeah.
We all headed back?
Right now?
Or are you staying here?
Yeah, let's stay later.
Oh,
Like
okay,
that.
cool.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good then.
Drive safe, man. That's a long drive.
Yeah.
I know you didn't sleep great last night. I don't think anybody did.
You know, oddly enough, I slept pretty well last night. Yeah. I was kind of knocked out because it was just cold and it was good.
Good.
But no, thank you guys so much.
It's a hole, just a pinhole. It is right, let's see, right here. You can put your finger over it. Can you see it? Found the hole, easy fix. Well, easy fix for me because Mike's doing the work. That's scary.
These things always get so nasty and sticky and gooey. If they provide gloves, I'm going to use them.
Want to open up the gas tank?
Yeah, 1 sec.
Ta-da!
Yay, nice. So, sweet.
It's always I'm putting a bigger hole in my tire.
I know, that's why I'm putting a bigger hole to
Sorry,
fix
Jess,
it.
you're filming.
Yeah, if we're doing pretty good on gas mileage, so I think if we have a little bit, we can get.
That's a little more than a gallon.
Is there more in there? Put in Jimmy's? Or we use it all?
There's just a minimal amount.
Well, dump the rest in yours.
Better than nothing, yeah.
We're off again. Let's see how far we can get on a gallon of gas.
Let's do it.
Okay, it says 53 miles to empty, and we will not go below 10 for vehicle safety reasons. And what, you think we're probably 40 miles from town?
47.
40. Oh yeah, 47 miles from town. We, depending on how Jimmy's gas mileage goes, we might actually make it.
That is Tyler.
Hey, stranger!
Howdy. How'd you guys get all the way up here?
We had a little bit more fuel.
Oh, check that out.
Let's give you a hand.
Oh, wow!
Didn't make it very far, did I?
Hey, thanks for the content. No. We're good.
Howdy. Yeah, we're all good.
Wow, Tyler,
I know.
how fast were you going?
Was it a all of a sudden thing, or did it just
Just all of a sudden. Just complete, yeah.
Complete.
Wow.
Wow.
Sorry, how can I help you?
Oh my goodness. This trip just keeps on giving. You think you're home free and it gets you. Oh, look at that. We're going with the air thing.
Alright, then you just tell me when to shut it off, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
When Jimmy screams like a little girl, you'll know it's done. What's that?
It's not very.
Hasn't moved up yet.
Hey, keep giving some gas. Keep going.
That's what the rest of us are for. Nobody leaves the group.
Nobody. That looks like him. Funny meeting you here. Is there? Yeah, is there a good place up here to pull off?
Perfect timing, Bruce.
Yeah,
Right here's a good spot. We're off again. up and then going to meet for lunch. Black Bear Diner. We're gonna get some food. And we got the whole group.
We were all very hungry from our early morning start. We ate, reminisced, and exchanged contact information, said our goodbyes, and are thankful that these strangers are now our friends. We had one last surprise in store for our family, though. It's just one of those things everyone should see once, and our kids have never seen it. So we're saying goodbye to Las Vegas. We had fun while we were here. The kids got to see Vegas when they've never seen it before. But it's a place that, at least for us, we don't go there very often. In fact, the last time we were there was 25 years ago. So it always changes, get to see new stuff, but not really our thing. But nonetheless, we had an absolute blast on our trip. Join us next time. Don't forget, we have additional photos that is going to be on our Ko-Fi account, which is ko-fi.com/venture-playlist. You can get a 10% discount on your Yankum Rope by using the discount code venture-playlist. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next week from Canyonlands National Park.